A trip back in time, Skansen is Europe's original and best open-air folk museum. It's a huge park with over 150 historic homes, shops, churches, and schoolhouses transplanted from all corners of Sweden. But if I want a Lapland culture, the Sami
It's
people...
here in the north.
Right up here?
Right up here.
With the reindeer, yeah.
Yes, exactly.
In the south, Skane, how do you say this?
Skåne.
Down here.
Yes. And this is a typical farmstead, and you can see these kinds of farmsteads in Denmark as well.
There's folk dancing nearly every evening. Inside each farm or house, there's a person dressed in a traditional outfit who assumes the role of a historical character, describing daily life from a particular period.
My wife, she gets up also at 5. She goes up to the barn where the cows are. She has to milk about 8 or 10 cows in the morning. And then she makes breakfast for us. And then she sees the children off to school. And then in the afternoon or in the midday, she makes food for me, of course.
The docents take seriously their job of bringing to life the carefully researched details of the past. Here's where speedy tourists can sweep through the countryside and centuries of lifestyles without even leaving the capital.